Nestled in the heart of Nottingham, Redgate offers an unparalleled living experience tailored to students seeking comfort and convenience. From sleek en-suites to cozy studios, there's a space to match every taste. Imagine waking up to panoramic views of Nottingham's skyline courtesy of the expansive windows framing your bed. Freshen in the spotless bathroom before raiding your meticulously organized wardrobe for the perfect outfit. With lightning-fast Wi-Fi, tackling assignments, or binge-watching your favorite series is a breeze. But that's not all. Unwind in the games room, brainstorm with friends in the study areas, or host movie nights in the cinema rooms. Need a quick workout? The on-site gym has you covered, while the laundry room simplifies daily chores. Redgate isn't just a choice, it's a community. Welcoming students from across the globe, it's a hub of diversity and creativity. With Confetti Institute of Creative Technologies and Nottingham Trent International College, both being a short ride away, staying here ensures your academic goals are well within reach. Indulge your taste buds at nearby eateries like Via Fossa or recharge with a cup of coffee from Tucker's Coffee Shop. And when it comes to stocking up on essentials, a Tesco Express is just a stroll away. Embrace the rhythm of city life and embark on an unforgettable journey in Nottingham. Reserve your spot at Redgate Nottingham today through amberstudent.com.